Wouldn't nice if you can walk into the room without having to look for the switch to turn the light on. The light would automatically turn on itself. Sensor light switch. Replace the original regular switch. You can adjust the time how long the light should be on. It ranges from 2 minutes to 30 minutes. So right now it's currently set to 5 minutes. So I can do anything I want to within 5 minutes or when it senses motion in the closet. I have also installed the same switch at the garage.